Hello children, welcome to 4th standard English. Today topic articles.
Articles. The words a, an, and the are called articles. These are usually placed before nouns and indicate which persons or thing we are referring to in a sentence. An article is a word that comes before a noun. For example, the boy, a bee, an apple. Children, article can be of two types. One is definite article, another one is indefinite articles. The articles a and an can refer to any person or thing. So these are indefinite articles. A and an refer to any particular thing or person. They are only used when talking about singular noun. When talking about singular nouns. And the is called the definite articles. The is called the definite article because it points to a particular person or thing in a sentence. Particular person or thing in a sentence. Children, listen carefully. Once again I repeat, a and an are indefinite articles. They are used to speak of something or someone for the first time. They are used with a noun in general. The is called the definite article because it points to a particular person or thing in a sentence. A comes before singular nouns that begin with a consonant sound. A comes before singular nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Look at this example. Frag. Here F is a consonant. So we have to use A. So a frog. Look at this. Fox. Fox starts with F, which is a consonant, so we have to use a fox. House. Here H is a consonant, so we have to use a. So a house. Next we look into the example of an. Umbrella. This word begin with U. U is a vowel sound, so we use an umbrella. An umbrella. Next one, ice cream. The word ice cream starts with I, vowel sound, so we use an ice cream. Next one, ox. The word begin with O. O is a vowel sound, so we use an ox. And next, the definite article. We use the when we mention a person or thing for the second time. We use the when we mention a person or thing for the second time. For example, Sasi has a pet dog. He plays with the dog every day. So first time we use a pet dog, and then second time the dog. Okay. When there is only one thing of that kind, we use the. For example, the sun, the Taj Mahal. Before name of religious texts, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, And then before names of mountain, rivers, seas and oceans, for example the Himalaya, the Ganga, the Arabian Sea, like this. Okay children, let's we see the exercise. Fill in the blanks with articles. Look at this. Banana. B is a consonant sound, so a banana. Second one, egg. Egg. E. Vowel letter. Vowel sound, so an egg. Bird. A bird. Himalaya. Before names of mountains we use the, so the Himalaya. Next one, owl. Vowel sound, so an owl. Apple. An apple. Okay children, let's revise the answer. A banana, an egg, a bird, the Himalaya, an owl, an apple. Very good children. Look at this exercise. Practice this exercise. Fill in the blanks with an appropriate article. First one, dash book. Second one, dash car. Third one, dash igloo. Fourth one, dash apple. Fifth one, dash table. Sixth one, dash dog. Children, I hope you will write.
Thank you children. We will meet in the next video.